This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. All investments carry risk, so consult a financial professional before making decisions. Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be comparing two trading platforms and find out which is best option for 2025. So let's start with our first trading platform, which is the Nadex. So this is best for US regulated binary options and transparent risk management. So for the commission, it has $1 per contract side, capped at $50. Now for the platform, Nadex website platform and the mobile application. And for the minimum deposit, it starts at $0. So you can deposit whatever amount of money that you want to deposit. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, it is fully regulated by the CFTC, which is legal for US traders. And it also has transparent pricing and limited risk. And it has no dealing desk, so trade against other traders. So it also has the real exchange model, so not broker based. Now for the cons is it has payout. The payouts vary, typically 75% to 90%. So fewer assets than other platforms also. And it is more technical. It has more technical interface also. Now let's proceed with the next one, which is the pocket option. So this is best for beginners seeking high payout binary options with a simple interface. For the commissions, it is no fixed fees, so profits and losses depend on trades. For the platform, it is web-based, so it also has the Android and iOS applications. And the minimum deposit is around $50. Now for pros, it's up to 92% payouts on successful trades, and it has extremely easy to use and beginner-friendly interface. And it also supports Forex, crypto, stocks, and more. And also the quick registration and demo mode available in their website. For the cons is it's not regulated by major financial authorities, so offshore based only, and high risk with broker controlled payouts. You also get risk of account restrictions or withdrawal delays, and it is not legally available for you as traders. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!